So I'm going to cover that in just a second here. Obviously, we've had a pretty nice bounce here. Okay, I'm looking at a specific area that this thing is going to have to break to invalidate this 5 waves down, and this big news could actually do it. All right, I'm going to show you here in a second. We got the crypto bubbles. Here we go. Look at Kaspa up 13.4%. For the day. Mostly everything else is in the red. This is going to reset here in just a second. You can see my blue line up here. I apologize once again. I'm out where I do my videos out in my garage. I gotta get a booster out here, obviously, but you can see here mostly everything out there for the day. There we are. Kaspa up 13.1, synthetics up 13.2 now. It didn't make much of a difference. Mostly everything else out here is red. And we got a pretty decent article here. Traders bet on Kaspa rally after spotting this bullish indicator during the 12% surge. All right, and this news, like I said, could have a lot to do with it. So, if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'm getting this out to you an hour and a half after this news broke, so I would appreciate that very much. Usually, I don't put my videos out till later in the day, but I want to get on this. The analysis of Kaspa shows that the MACD is tantalizingly close to a bullish crossover, a sign often considered a green light by traders. For the uninitiated, MACD, I don't know why they're coming with these big words in here. MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. Okay, the RSI, another crucial indicator, has also crossed its threshold. This oscillator measures the speed and change of price movements and oscillates between 0 and 100. Traditionally, and according to Wilder, RSI is considered overbought when above 70 and oversold when below 30. The market is far from oversold, and all signs point to a turnaround. It's as if the stars have aligned and the chart is a mirror reflecting past patterns. The bullish engulfing candle, a ray of hope. Adding fuel to the fire is the appearance of a bullish engulfing candle on the daily chart. This pattern typically occurs at the end of a downtrend and signals a potential reversal. I cover that in my trading courses, guys. A bullish engulfing candle. Just put out a candle video just a couple days ago. It's like the market is whispering in our ears, hold on, the tide is turning. Tired of missing hot new listings? All right, here we go. Let's not forget the monthly support level of 0.032, a number derived from the prior all-time high. The support level is held strong, acting as a safety net for the asset. 0.32. Let's look back here. It's on the 12-hour. I don't know where they're coming up with that. 0.32 was not our prior all-time high, but anyway, let's continue on here. Oh, come on. I hate these pop-ups. Alright, here we go. The chart predictions were spot on. Kaspa saw a bounce from the support level 0.033, and now the price is ascending, challenging the resistance at 0.036. The RSI is also showing signs of reversal. The next move, wait for the price to either falter at this resistance or break through 0.036 ceiling. And we're going to go through that here in a second because I'm watching a certain price. Once again, the chart doesn't lie. The next milestone is for the price to shatter 0.3036 to 0.037 resistance to confirm a breakout. If the price gets rejected, we could be looking at a consolidation range between 0.033 and 0.036. For those looking to increase their Kaspa holdings, the asset is currently at a delectable range for accumulation. The price is gradually dipping, which is music to the ears of those practicing dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a great thing to do to accumulate to your bags. If you don't buy exactly where you want to, you DCA in, you buy 10% here, 10% there as the price dips. To support levels, and you dollar cost average in. If you bought a big green candle at the beginning of a chart, for instance, I'd like to just show you guys a little bit that I do know when he's talking about this. Say you buy, I don't know, Kaspa, you bought in way up here. Okay, as a pullback occurs, you dollar cost average in. If it pulls back to here, maybe you put 10% in here. Okay, 10% in here. Oh, it drops some more, so you buy another 10%. Okay, so that brings down your overall buy at 4 cents down to maybe 3.3 cents. Okay, and now instead of buying all your Kaspa at the top, you have an average entry of 0.033 or something. Okay, that's dollar cost averaging. Or as the price goes up in price, you buy 10% here, 10% here, to the 10%. You dollar cost average in. You just don't throw all your peanuts into one pile. Okay, you never do that. All right, dollar cost average into whatever you're investing in. Not financial advice, guys, just informational purposes. Pay heed to the RSI crosses. They're not mere squiggles on a chart, but a Morse code for market sentiment. RSI, we use that every single day in our charts. When the black line crosses the red line upwards, it's a signal to go long. Conversely, a downward cross indicates it's time to go short. In the last 24 hours, Kaspa has been nothing short of a spectacle. The crypto is currently trading at 0.038, making a significant 12.27% increase within a single day. But that's not all. The trading volume has surged 87%, reaching 13 million. This surge in trading volume is a testament to the growing interest and confidence among investors and traders alike. In summary, Kaspa is at a pivotal juncture, and all indicators suggest a potential breakout. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious onlooker, the unfolding drama is one you don't want to miss. All right, yeah, no doubt. Something is going on here, and we're going to take let's go over real quick here to CoinMarketCap and take a look at the volume here. CoinMarketCap, we're going to load that up real quick, because we want to see what kind of, whoops, I click on it, there we go. We want to see what kind of volume is coming in here, because like I said, we got some pretty decent, more than decent, some pretty big news coming up here. There we go. Let's click on that. Let's go back to this chart real quick while that loads up. All right, you can see we have had this big bear bullish engulfing candle. I have an alarm set on this thing. All right, number one. All right, this is on the 12-hour. Okay, 12-hour RSI still coming up. It has not broke this resistance level that I'm watching here at 0.0369. That's my yellow line here. Let me get my alarm off here so we can you can see this a little better. Darn it. We enlarge it, pull this up here. There we go. Now we get it off here. I was trying to zoom in there and get it off there. Okay. But there we go. The 0.039, guys. Watch that level extremely close. Okay, and that is actually, there's two levels here I'm really watching, but that one there really gets my interest. Okay, and this is why. All right, I'm going to draw it out for you. This is what I believe was going on in here. Now we could have a deviation from this if this area is broke. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that could have bounced right up to that area just fine, and then got this fifth wave down. All right, that would be that's your barrier right there. That 2. If it breaks above that 0.039, then this chart is doing something different. Okay, when you go out in the 12-hour, this looks better. All right, that fourth wave pullback. Fourth wave is, if your second wave is simple, an Elliott wave, then your fourth wave is going to be your most complex. Okay, that's going to be your most complex wave coming in. And let's click on this here real quick. All right, there we go. Our volume is up 150%. All right, the market's driving this coin up. All right, obviously buyers, could be huge buyers coming in. 150%, 17 million is our buying volume right now. Okay, that's huge. Obviously it was down to what, 6 or 7 million when we did the video the day before. It's up 150% right now. All right, so if this area is broke, 0.039, this chart is doing something else. We've been looking for this thing to come down here. Obviously Let me give you a measurement here. And the news is right here. And then I'll come back. All right, here we go. Check this out. What you've all been waiting for and so graciously helped make possible. Kaspa is excited to announce the upcoming listing of Kaspa on Bybit, official spot trading platform. Listing time is 10 a.m. September 7th. We're getting listed on Bybit. That is going to drive the volume up massively. This is huge. Bybit is a pretty big site. All right, so that is what is going on with this chart. No question about it. That's what's driving the volume in, and that the price, once this gets listed tomorrow, this is going to really drive this price up. I know it is. If it drives it up past 0.039, and it really, God, that's so close, because that, let me show you, that two wave, that's where I'm gonna say it. Okay, 0.039. If it busts through that, then I believe this thing could be going higher. All right. Obviously, we know what we've been watching for. That 5 waves down. If we go out in the daily here and do that, our measurement again, this just, and it's still, this could be a big trap right here for everybody. But with this listing tomorrow, I believe it is going to throw this off. My personal opinion. That was our target down here, 0.028 to 0.027, right down around that area. But looks like this could be doing something else. Daily volume coming in right there. We have 138 million on trading view here. Okay, let's look at our RSIs. The daily still heading up, and if you put, let's see here, oops, sorry about that, guys. Let's go out here and do something real quick. What's going on here? All right, I don't want to delete that. I forgot that was behind there. That chart that we always look at, it's in the background. All right, if we take and put a resistance line on here, all right, like so, that's a breakout. Okay, that would be a resistance line. Let's look at the RSIs. The daily's coming up. That weekly, look at this. It's trying to make that curve up. Down on the bottom, it's at a 59 and it's bending up. So is this the next breakout? It could be. I'm not going to say it's not. The 12 hour is still going up. The 8 hour is at a 94 and a 74, still heading up. And the 4 hour is at 100 and 100. Okay, so I'm extremely happy. I was looking for lower prices for another entry. Obviously, I think a lot of people were. That's why I say never sell and try to buy back in at a lower price. All right, this could be the breakout. That could be our correction could be over. It could be. Watch for the 0.039 area. That if we break that, and I have a feeling that's probably going to break tomorrow, then we could be in for another big breakout here. All right, let's go back here real quick. 150% right now, that volume, and on the 1 day, you can see here price is pushing up. Kaspa looks like Kaspa was the winner to get listed on Huobi. Huobi also, is that true? Starts September 7th. Damn, I got to the gem for an hour and see this. I'm wondering, does anyone consider what this pump is coming from? I've been looking all over the place, and all I see is old news about Bybit. Old news about Bybit. I really that wasn't old news to me. That is definitely what's driving this pump. No question about it. Bybit and Kaspa news. This isn't old news to me. It's getting listed tomorrow. That's Kaspa. When will the price follow? There's nothing in the news about Bybit. 1 month ago, top trader explains breakthrough landmark. I don't think anybody knew it was getting listed tomorrow. Okay, that that was, like I said, that's right on the official Twitter page. I don't know what the people are saying about old news. I don't think anybody knew that this was getting listed tomorrow. Okay, so this isn't old news to me. What you've all been waiting for so graciously helped make possible. Kaspa is excited to announce the upcoming listing of Kaspa on Bybit official, 10 a.m. September 7th. All right, yeah, so there it is, guys. I believe this volume from this listing could really drive the price up. All right, I want to get this out to you guys, so everybody have a great day. Maybe I'll get a video out later if we break that level. We'll take a look at it and see what happens. All right, so everybody have a great day. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe.